Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and efficient tools you can have in your outdoor arsenal, the Stihl BGA 57 leaf blower. This battery-powered leaf blower has been making waves for its lightweight design and sheer performance, making it the best option for efficient yard maintenance. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or someone simply looking to tidy up their yard, this leaf blower promises to meet your needs. Now, let's start with an overview of the Stihl BGA 57. This leaf blower is equipped with a robust battery that provides a hassle-free experience without the restraints of cords or the fumes associated with gas-powered options. Weighing in at just about 8.6 pounds, it strikes an excellent balance between power and portability, making it easy to maneuver around your yard or even up a ladder to clear debris from hard-to-reach places. The design itself showcases a commitment to user comfort, featuring a soft grip that ensures you can operate it for extended periods without discomfort. The control layout is intuitive. You'll find several power settings, allowing you to adjust the speed based on your specific task. Be it gently clearing leaves from a flower bed or blasting away stubborn debris from your driveway. When it comes to performance, the Stihl BGA 57 does not disappoint. It delivers a powerful air velocity of up to 130 miles per hour, which is adequate for both light garden upkeep and more demanding jobs. The ergonomic design allows for ease of use, letting you navigate your yard with precision. For those larger jobs, you'll appreciate the extended battery life, which gives you ample working time, about 35 minutes, depending on the setting used. This leaf blower operates quietly compared to its gas counterparts, making it more neighbor-friendly. Imagine being able to clean up your yard early in the morning or late in the evening without disturbing the peace. The BGA 57 not only gets the job done but does so with minimal noise disruption. Speaking of batteries, the Stihl BGA 57 uses an AP300 battery, which is known for its impressive efficiency and longevity. This means fewer interruptions due to charging. The charger itself is fast, allowing you to get back to work quickly if you happen to run low on juice. With a simple indicator light, you can track charging progress without any guesswork. One of the standout features of the BGA 57 is the versatility of the battery. It's compatible with other tools in the Stihl lineup. If you already own Stihl equipment, this means you can save money on purchasing additional batteries, an added bonus. Customization doesn't stop at speed controls. The BGA 57 also allows you to tweak the nozzle attachments for various tasks. The narrowing of the nozzle can help focus the airflow for more detailed work, such as cleaning corners or paths, while the broader setting provides maximum efficiency for clearing large areas. This adaptability makes the Stihl BGA 57 a top contender in its category. We also love how user-friendly this leaf blower is. With no complicated assembly required and minimal maintenance involved, you can start using it right out of the box. Plus, being battery-operated means you won't get caught up in mixing fuel or maintaining a motor. In summary, if you're in the market for a leaf blower, the Stihl BGA 57 is an excellent choice. Its combination of lightweight design, powerful performance, and versatility makes it a standout option that caters to climate-conscious individuals seeking efficiency without sacrificing effectiveness. Whether it's for quick tasks like blowing debris off hard surfaces or managing the aftermath of a windy day, this leaf blower will have you covered. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy gardening!